Okay, good morning, Team Global Diamonds. The long wait is over. No, ito na yung pinakahihintay natin. The Live Good Co-op. No, so it was just launched. No, mainit pa po ito. So yun i-discuss natin. So what is Live Good Co-op? Okay, so ang Live Good Co-op actually is an advertising campaign. It's an ad campaign, no, to get more members and customers. Yun po yung talaga yung explanation niya. So the company, the Live Good company ay mag-run ng ads na ang mga affiliate ay pwedeng makapag-participate. So ano naman yung purpose, no? Ano naman yung purpose ng co-op? Actually, number one is matulungan yung mga affiliate to get more members, no? Para mag-increase yung mga members niya under his or her organization para marami yung kumikita at marami yung mag-rank up. Then, how to participate? So, paano mag-participate? So, number one, kailangan mo maging silver. So, right now, silver lang yung silver rank and up lang yung pwedeng makaparticipate sa Live Good Co-op. Yung pangalawa, yung cost per member ngayon is nasa $35. So, for each silver and above, dalawa lang yung pwedeng bilhin. Okay? So, 2 times 35, that is $70. So now, i-demonstrate natin paano makabili or makaparticipate ng sa cooperative. So punta ka sa menu, then click on co-op. Yan. Hintay nating mag-load and then scroll down ka. Okay yan. How many customers would you like to order? No? So as you can see here, dalawa lang talaga, no, yung pwede natin ma-order. So click natin yung order my customer. Okay, ayun, i-zero muna natin to. May nagka-pending akong order. Zero muna natin to. Zero natin. Okay, zero natin to. And then pati yung 830 natin. Ayun, you can see, no, nakita natin na merong ay set quantity to, so dalawang 35, so total na babayaran ko is 70. So click on check out. Pagkatapos payment type P using credit wallet. So kailangan may laman yung wallet mo, credit wallet mo. So nilagyan ko ng more than 70 to. So click natin P using credit wallet. Kung may card kayo, pwede kayong gumagamit ng card or crypto pwede. So, for now, gamitin ko is P using credit wallet. Yan. And then, pagkatapos, yun, parang bumili ka lang ng product or subscription. Click agree and please order. Ayun, success. No? Thank you for your order from Live Good. You ordered 2 customer from Co-op. So, guys, today is December 20, so I will give you update kung kailan ma-deliver yung dalawang customer ko. So ngayon, lahat ng mga silvers and above, encourage natin, guys. Encourage natin sila na bumili ng co-op. This is now our time na mabibuild natin yung ating organization internationally. No? So, don't waste your time sa mga silvers and above. No? Bumili na kayo ng dalawang customer para matry natin, ma-increase yung grupo natin, guys, no? And then ito na yung simula, no, sa pag-akyat natin towards the diamond ranks. Okay, so if kailangan niyo ng assistance like wallet or cryptocurrency to order your co-op, no, message lang yung mga sponsor niyo, leader niyo, or you can message me directly para matulungan natin kayo. Okay? So, guys, ito na. Again, thank you so much.